In this video, we will check out how to enable print and document services on Windows 11. To open this feature, go to Run and enter the command appwiz.cpl. You can find this in the description also, then click OK. This command will open Programs and Features window. On the left pane, you can find Turn Windows Features on or off. Click on that. Now, Windows Features dialog will open. Here you can find a lot of optional features. Scroll down and locate Print and Document Services. Click on the checkbox next to it and click OK. Windows will now start searching for the required files. The system will then apply all the necessary changes. It will take some time and hence kindly be patient. That is it, Windows has completed the changes. A restart now is highly recommended. However, as I am making the video, I am clicking on Don't Restart. Print and Document Services is now enabled on your Windows 11.